Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, new day. And today we did back, only back, and it was really sexy. We did many new workouts that are not there in India, and you will see it. And it was a very sexy workout. Now we are going to go home, get ready, and go to gym. No, damn it. We are going to go home, get ready, and then we are going to CN Tower, and then we are going to High Park to just chill and vibe. Wow. Hi guys, we are at the CN Tower. Finally we reached the CN Tower. Just look at the view. Wow. That is the airport. Oh, Swaksh. Bro, I was just walking normally when he told me to look down and फट गई हाँ भाई. So that is an aquarium नीचे, and we are just acting like kids as if we have never seen this. But I'm scared also. Swaksh, what if I fall down? If I fall down and fall in the aquarium, will I swim with the sharks?
Yeah.
Good answer. Guys, just look at this. We are at the topmost floor, and wow. Swaksh, you can fall down from here also. Okay, so the place that we wanted to go for waffle chicken, that opens at 5 baje because it's a pub. So now we just had a chicken sandwich somewhere, random place. Now we are going to Wings Up. We are going to have chicken wings and french fries. And then we go to the High Park and we have a very special thing to do. Are you excited?
Yes.
You are. Nobody cares. Peace. Okay, so we are done with the wings and the fries and we are full. We are pregnant. Itna calorie intake we are doing in the past 3 days. It is crazy. We are going to bulk and come. Let's go. The bulking is going good. As per what we thought, कि इधर आके bulking करेंगे, we are doing it. That is nice. And now we are in High Park. It is just we thought it will be a like a park, like open space sitting, something like that. But this is idhar ka Arya colony. So we are just walking here and we are finding an open space so we can sit and have some liquor chocolates. Toxic waste. We have come all the way to Canada to this park to have toxic waste. It's a nice weather, nice vibe. Now dessert time. Okay, so there are many flavors. I will take you through it. The other YouTubers are shit. Follow me, don't unsubscribe them. So, first flavor is watermelon.
Second flavor is apple. Third flavor is blue raspberry. And there's supposed to be another one. Yeah, lime.
So, Aksh, which one do you want to eat? Lime. He's having lime. I'm having. What do I have? Okay, I should have watermelon. Woo! It is hitting.
Okay.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh.
In the start, it starts kicking in, and then it becomes horrible, and then it just becomes sweet. So it's not that khatta. How they show. We have a crazy idea. This stupid candy and this ginger beer. Cheers. I'm going to just crush it and put it because wow. Jana. Hey. Hey. Nice. Now it will be strawberry flavored ginger beer. Alright, make the weird sound. Now we wait for it to settle down. He's trying the first one. Any difference?
It is less strong.
It is less strong. Ginger beer is too strong as a ginger flavor. Now it is less strong.
Yeah, it's not strong.
Is it better or shittier? Mid. I'm matching it by the way.
What?
These are in the integers. Cheers. It became shittier. It became less strong. It became like the fizz became less strong.
Yeah.
The taste is the same. This tastes more like water now. Same flavored water.
Flavored water.
Ginger flavored water. It is shit, don't try it, guys. I will rate this
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Okay, so now we are going to have the liquor chocolates. He has already had it, I guess. He's had one, but I have not had till now. I was keeping it for the High Park vlog, bitches. Gin, I want to have gin. Or Irish whiskey. Milk chocolate, Irish whiskey. Irish coffee. Irish whiskey caramel. I love gin. Gin for life. Cheers. It's not gin. It's whiskey. Because inside is chocolate. जिसके अंदर चॉकलेट है Set, go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give a thumbs up to the vlogs and subscribe for tomorrow's vlog also, because tomorrow also there's going to be a vlog and you know it. So thanks for watching and let us know which is your favorite vlog of Canada series. Yes, which one do you like the most?
Baseball.
Baseball. Obviously the baseball one. It was amazing. Am I gonna match with Blue Jays for life? Love it. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace.
She steady dripping Saint Laurent. She got the perfect face.